Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying the essentials and taking immediate corrective action. First, confirm the mic and speakers are in the right ports and cables aren't frayed. Once done, set system volume to about 50% and ensure mutes are off so you have headroom to test. Next, open the operating system sound panel and explicitly select your default input and output devices so the system routes audio correctly. These steps get you from uncertain to test-ready in minutes, and they prevent chasing phantom problems. You now tackle the routing and software mismatches that cause subtle issues. Start by matching sample rates between your app and OS, 44. 1K HD versus 48K HD mismatches cause clicks and dropouts. Then update audio drivers or firmware, because outdated drivers often break stability. Make sure exclusive audio modes or sound enhancements are disabled so multiple apps can use audio. Once those are set, inspect per application mixer levels and the DAW or conferencing routing to ensure signals follow the correct chain without unintended attenuation or feedback. You finish by verifying the full signal path and addressing environmental causes. Do a loopback test. Play a tone and record it back to confirm the output reaches the input cleanly, then check for hums or interference. Make sure cables are secure, ground connections solid, and keep wireless devices or fluorescent lights away from audio gear. If issues persist, isolate hardware versus software by swapping in a different mic or interface. That single step quickly tells you whether to replace gear or continue troubleshooting settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.